Quant is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were testing the 112 mark, and I mentioned the fact that quant will definitely be looking to retest that 120 mark as long as we can break above this resistance level. You can see we had a beautiful, strong, bullish engulfing candle breaking above. This was exactly the volume we were looking for, and as of right now, we did test that level and find it as support, but we are struggling to hold that level above. You guys can see right now that quant is testing that resistance level once again, and we do have the exponential moving averages acting as support, which is a bullish indication. Now we can see previously on price analysis we did test that 120 mark, but things were obviously very choppy. You can see that we did have a bearish engulfing candle followed by a bullish engulfing candle, and immediately after the same sort of formation, but we failed to break above the 20 exponential moving average. Right now, for the first time after a very long time on quant, we do have a clean breakout of the exponential moving averages, using them as support and a continuation. Ideally, as long as we can hold above that 120 mark, we can definitely be looking for a retest around that 144, even the 154 level, and a continuation pattern. A lot of you guys were questioning whether or not to obviously look for quant as a buy opportunity, and I mentioned this to you guys around the $99 mark that we would have to wait for that bounce on support. You can see as soon as we bounced on support, we did get that retest for that confirmation for a long entry, and as you guys know, this also was a V-shaped formation. Usually V-shaped formations do end right over here, and usually the take profits are done, and you can see right now we did test that level of resistance, and we can see that buyers are taking profits at these levels. But of course, we do have a possible continuation. Ideally, we would need to see a break above this previous high of this resistance and this wick at 134 for that continuation opportunity, and then possibly looking for whether or not quants can actually hold above that 144 level, use it as support for that continuation. On the hourly time frames, you can see that quant is also in a very bullish momentum trade right as of right now. We do have a retest of that resistance level. We did get a small pullback opportunity right on the exponential moving averages, but the bulls came right back, and you can see that the EMAs are lining up as support while we are retesting a resistance. 9 out of 10 times we tend to have a beautiful breakout formation. Obviously, in terms of RSI, we were in the overbought region, so I was expecting some profits to be taken after this extremely large move set. But right now for quant, it's going to be very, very crucial for us to actually continue this bullish move set, because in terms of a bearish case scenario, if quant can't break above this 120 level and this move is invalidated, we would need to see a break of these exponential moving averages and also the 112 level. You can see we had the same sort of formation right over here. Once we broke above that 120 mark, we had a nice wick to the upside, and immediately after, once we broke those exponential moving averages and the 112 support, you can see quant was pretty much in that free fall range. This is why that 112 is a red line, because it is a major resistance and a major support level for quant. So in terms of a pullback opportunity after this extremely large move, we can be looking for a possible wick to the downside to 112, see whether or not it will act as support, and then the continuation. That to me will be my confirmation for those long entries. Ideally, I would like to see a retest at this level. Entering a long position or buying at these levels currently is obviously a lot riskier because of the fact that you missed the move from down here. So you're buying into a breakout, right? Usually that does lead into a fake out opportunity to the downside and then that continuation. The market tends to do what a lot of people are thinking, but it does the opposite, right? So right now, if we do have the V-shaped formation being played and these profits are being taken, keep a very close eye on this 4-hour candlestick. If the 4-hour does close above that resistance level, find it as support and that continuation, we can be looking for further upside. But if we do get immediately after a bearish engulfing candle, pay very close attention to this 112 level, guys, because this level will have to hold in order for that bullish case to continue. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.